everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Today is a wonderful day in Georgetown, Ontario. Yes, you can see a bunch of snow in the back, but it is actually positive 8 degrees centigrade. You know what that means? It means in about 2 to 3 weeks time, it will be car season, and what that means is I gotta buck up and start getting ready for it. So this season I am getting new wheels and tire for both the Skyline and the 300ZX. So I have been collecting tires lately, and today is the day I pack up my tires and I go to my favorite mechanic shop, and you guessed it, Sturdy Motorsport. If this is your first time in my channel, I'm a huge Nissan enthusiast. I have a 300ZX twin turbo. That is actually my Skyline. Sorry, that is not my 300ZX twin turbo. That's the MR2. I don't know why I have that. Xterra possessed by the D1 himself. I've got to fix it. That's the 300ZX twin turbo, but that will be for sale later on the season. And my baby 300ZX twin turbo is in a heated garage. Of course it is. All right, let's get going. That's how my trunk is looking like. 2 sets of tires and 2 sets of rims. Some of you know what these rims are, but some of you don't. Stay tuned, I'll show you in a bit. All right, we are here. 13 Motorsport 227 Advanced Boulevard in Brampton. Yeah, I want to see what these guys are working on. Last time I heard they're working on some cool stuff. Let's see.
You gotta plug the YouTube though.
Huh?
You gotta plug the YouTube.
You gotta tell this guy. Send some of this.
It's recording, you gotta plug our YouTube.
I will. In all the videos that I shot here, it's usually your Facebook and the website is there.
I started working on the YouTube stuff, but slowly.
Yeah, I saw a couple of videos. The videos with where you talk about the RE71 and the differences.
Oh,
They're reverse slip.
Yeah,
should, right?
yeah.
Now, outside.
That's a little too tight, eh?
It's real tight, yeah. This one might be- Get some assistance.
It would be interesting to see how they balance.
Well, for the price you pay.
Well, they're made in 1995, so,
Even lower.
so
We might have a change.
we should have some realistic expectations. So.
Yes. So we'll go from how they're gonna balance to if they balance.
Okay.
No drips in it, corn.
It's all the same color.
Yeah, I bet it will.
The guy I bought that set from, he gave me the invoice. The cup and the hardware kit was an extra 600 US. I'm like, all right.
I'm good.
I paid 800 Canadian for the set.
What's this, a 91 or 89?
88, 89.
Okay.
Pre-facelift.
Is it?
Yeah.
Pre-LCI?
Yeah, it's the pre-facelift. You can tell by the screws in the turn signal and the front bumper.
yeah.
No,
What? The
I used to have an
screws?
89 Civic SI and a 92 EG SI hatch, right? So I have a 90 SI. Yeah. This is on my bucket list, but hard to find them in good condition. Yes, sir, it is. Subtle differences like the reverse in the tail light.
Yeah.
It's different.
I'll probably have a new favorite sandwich by then. Me.
Oh, you guys actually installed these fancy lips?
Like Uno milkshake. I don't know. It's a shame it's hard to show or something. I don't know. There's no reason why the car should come back. If it does, that means the tie rod is fogged or something.
These ones were around too much.
They were discontinued in 09.
I could believe it. It's a really old school design. But it's good. It's actually a 2-piece wheel, right?
Yeah.
So
These were discontinued.
these look like the early 90s to...
They're made in 95. The sticker
yeah.
says 95, but they were discontinued, I believe, 99. Yay! Fits really well now, isn't it? All right, let's go home. They're not going to be in the car anytime soon. I'm back home. That is my house. This is my neighbor's property. Look at these guys. There's a Cressida, there's another one, there's a GS and another GS. That one is getting a single turbo 2J. Alright, so the OG subscribers would know that I had a 944. I sold it because somebody made me a good offer and I was not in love with the car. And the car that I had was white with this. They're called the cookie cutter wheels. Here's one thing I noticed. You see the front? Ouch! Like, come on, there's like a 2 foot of snow in here. And the rears, you see the gap? I have a feeling this car has 2 front wheels because they're supposed to be staggered and this is not. Now, I also know if they were staggered, they were $3,000 for the set, and that was 4 years ago. I don't know what's the pricing right now, but there's some good money. The guy wants to sell the car. I don't know what I want to do with it. He's asking $1,000 for it. I think the price is right. I want to talk to him because I did make some money with wheeling parts, and I believe if I buy it, I'm not going to restore it. I'm not going to waste my time. The motor and tranny, they're all outside. I will probably make more money by parting it out, selling it in shells. The interior actually looks good. This is an 84 car. The crack on the dash, it's very common. It's a Porsche thing. Everybody did. Alright, let's see. It's 94,100 and something. It could be 194 too, so we don't know that. There are a couple of sets of tires over here. A bunch of other shit. The seats, they look good. I like the interior. I think I can make some decent money with the interior. Oh man, this feels so good. Look. I just don't have the expertise or the resources to rebuild this one. Don't know. I may do it. Most likely I won't. Since I've been talking to the guy, I've been looking at parts. They're expensive. Crazy. And like the tail lights. This set is like 400 Canadian. If I sell the set and if I sell the wheels for 1,000, 1,200, I got my money back and the rest of the car is still there. For that reason, I want to take a look at it. I want to take a deep look at it. He wants $1,000. I want to see if I can beat him down a little bit more. May come here, may come to the channel. I guess this year what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you guys a little bit more in depth in my channel, rather than just the DIYs and the reviews and all the other shenanigans I do. There will still be there, but I will show you a little bit more of the back end of the process, what feeds the channel. Those tires, they were not cheap. The rims, I had them. Still not cheap. They're, if I have to put a dollar amount on it, it's probably $8,000 over there. I certainly did not pay the money. I wheeled and dealed, and I paid less. Still a significant amount of money in there. Deals like this feeds the channel, and you guys please hit the subscribe button and bell notification. They feed the channel. What do you guys think? Should I take it? Leave it in the comment section. And if I do, what should I do it? Should I restore it? Should I part it out? Leave it in the comment section. I want to know your feedback. If you guys show enough interest, I will restore it. It will take $6 to $7,000, maybe a little bit more to restore it, but if there is enough interest in it, I will do it. Let's see. Hit the subscribe button, leave it in the comment section. What do you want me to do? We go from there.